left-hand side or the north side, closest to the playing fields. How many people have been in the Port Jervis Middle School back in the day? Raise your hand if you've been in that school. Okay, great. This is the old gym. It was an old rickety gym from 1922. And what you see here is a steel structure where we've created a second floor for classrooms in the middle of the gym. There'll be 4 cosmetic renovations and sound system improvements this summer as well. This is the varsity softball and baseball field. We were on it last week, and that's what it looks like this week. This is what the playground areas at ASK Elementary look like now. There used to be several playground structures there, which are all being moved to the new elementary. This elementary will become the middle school, and brand new middle school softball, middle school baseball, middle school soccer fields, all which have to happen between now and August 31st. This is the front of ASK Elementary, which will become the Port Jervis Middle School next year for grades 6, 7, and 8. 6th grades currently are in our elementaries. They will now come to middle school. This is just a rendering of the band room. The current ASK cafeteria is being cut into 2 pieces to create a middle school band room and a middle school chorus room, and then practice rooms, soundproof practice rooms, and things like that for the middle school students. Money and about over $50 million from the state, 7 from the feds, and the rest from our savings account called Fund Balance. We'll be going to the voters in May for another $26 million that will not raise taxes. Next year, we'll be going to the voters for another $50 million. We're putting air conditioning in all the buildings, and our hope is to build an 8-lane swimming pool as well. And none of this will raise taxes. And when we go to the budget this year, it'll be the 4th year in a row with no tax increase. So things are going great in Port Jervis. We're thrilled to do these things for our kids and not have to be a burden to our taxpayers. So it's the best of both worlds. Thank you for your time.